So yeah, with that last homework quiz, I got the same answers you did.
Okay.
So I was like, dang it. We get to move on to lesson 17.
Okay, so number 3, the symbol for the true population portion is which of the following? I got the.
Isn't it like the second one?
It's the third one.
Oh, it is the third one. I was just taking a quick skim because I read the chapter and then I was like taking a quick skim over it so I don't look like a complete useless idiot during this.
Sorry about the puppy. Number 4, sorry, I missed one. The next 2 questions, suppose n is 100 and p is 0.25, p hat is 0.10. One more share.
And so the requirements for constructing a confidence interval are satisfied. So we're using P in place of sigma, aren't we?
What?
Aren't we, so is sigma already known, like the mean, or?
We don't need that.
I mean, we can.
Interval.
Yeah. So this is, it is satisfied for constructing a confidence interval.
I get 100 from Okay.
Yeah, so the requirements are met for the confidence interval. It's when you multiply n and p hat, it is greater than or equal to 10. So that's what I got for 4, is it being true.
Me too.
Requirements for conducing, did they misspell conducting? A hypothesis test are satisfied. Phew, sorry, that was a big yawn. My goodness, someone is super rowdy today.
She's trying to kill my guinea pigs.
What? You have guinea pigs too?
Yeah. I got them before we were married. But don't worry, there's a cover on the cage.
Oh.
Off. Thank you. Okay, yes.
Yeah. And so number 5 is true as well.
Yes. Number 6. For this one I got 0.75.
I got a different answer, but that's just because I'm slow with math.
And then for number 7, for the margin of error, I just put this into the Excel sheet and I got all the answers for that because the Excel sheet is the easiest thing ever.
Yeah, it is.
And then for number 10, again, that's just from the Excel sheet. I put 80 instead of 60. And then
Wait, you said 10?
Yeah, for number 10. That's
okay.
That's also the Excel sheet. And then
Had an increase, right?
I got a decrease.
Okay.
For number 11, I just plugged this in, right? And then point times 0.5 is greater than or equal to 10, and I just solved it. And then I have a
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward.
same thing. Actually, probably should do that right now.
Oh my gosh. I've been suffering from like this dull migraine all day. So sorry my brain's been a little bit slow.
That's okay.
My goodness. Was she growling?
She has a toy that I tied to the banister, so she's playing tug of war with it. That way she doesn't feel super neglected.
Oh my goodness. She's a cutie. Come here. Come here, my love. Come on. Come here, Stevie.
Okay, so for number 13.
Come here. No, you're gonna step on my laptop. Don't. Stevie, chill down. My cat's been all over the place today, and he likes to step on my keyboard right when I don't need him to. So I have to like pick him up and put him on the other side of me because he likes to just cross right in front. I bet your professor gets a kick out of you yelling at your puppy and me getting after my cat all the time.
I thought that the TA was supposed to join us every now and then. Like once a
Yeah, me
semester.
too.
Maybe we're just later.
Do we even... Yeah, possibly. What right now? It's kind of like straight and start packing this weekend, potentially.
You cut out. I didn't hear that.
I said I can't believe Thanksgiving is gonna be so.
You cut out again.
Thanksgiving is in like a week and a half.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I get to go home to Texas.
Aww.
Home. 13 I got true, but I could be wrong because, again, I've been trying to do this with and my med. Like I've taken everything, but nothing's worked. Oh. The rest of it can just be plugged into Excel, can't it?
Hmm?
The rest of it can just be plugged into Excel, can't it?
I haven't looked yet. I'm still on number. I'm just writing down all the stuff. Hi. No. No.
Mama. I'm so darn cute, and I need all the attention.
Hi. No. No. Okay, so P is easy. It's just X divided by X over N. Right? Or P hat, I mean, I'm sorry. P hat is X over N, so that one's done. And then for 50, yeah, this is plugged into Excel.
Yeah. My goodness, so rambunctious today.
Number 16, what's the P value?
What?
Is that 1 second? Oh, never mind. It's also in Excel. That's right. Okay.
You cut out for a second, so all I heard was something value, and I was like, what?
Let's see. Okay. Okay, so have you been plugging them into Excel?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So what is the decision for this test? P-value is less than 8.
Uh-huh.
So we reject. So
I mean, I feel like we have sufficient evidence. Kind of looking at it isn't going to really tell anything. About it.
I don't know. These word problems confuse me every time. My husband has me write it out, like side by side, and I still get confused.
Yeah, sometimes I'll be like, wait a minute, isn't it supposed to be this? And then I'll keep reading and I'm like, oh, okay.
Hi. Want to join us?
Oh, hello.
No, you're not eating food. You cannot have popcorn.
That's what you've been eating. I was like, what is she eating?
It's gonna go bad, so I have to eat it.
Well, that's always an
I don't know. Because P was less then, so that means that we reject. And if we reject, then I don't know. I think we'll just put I'm gonna keep thinking. We'll just put an answer and figure it out.
Yeah, like with the 50-50 thing, like.
Yeah, text me if you get it.
Okay, I will, for sure.
And then I'll text you if I get it wrong, and then we'll have an option from there.
Yeah, we'll just be like, one wrong answer for another 50-50.
Okay. Well,
And if anything, I'll kind of consult with my roommates and be like, hey, we got this, this, and this, and we rejected the null hypothesis. Then this other complicated word problem happened.
well, oof. This lesson wasn't too tricky. That was nice.
No. Like these ones, like the insufficient, those ones always kind of get me tripped up because you're like, did almost the exact same as another answer, but just